Ever wondered what happens if you get sick or injured on a cruise? No, they don't just toss you overboard and wish you luck. Welcome back to the Cruise Ship Safety and Security channel. Cruise ships actually have full medical centers, but if things get serious, you might be in for a very expensive surprise. Let's break it all down. Yes, every cruise ship has at least one doctor and multiple nurses on board, available 24/7. Cruise lines follow international maritime health standards, meaning doctors are trained in emergency medicine, trauma care, and general practice. So no, it's not just the bartender with a first aid kit. But here's the thing, these aren't full hospitals. They can handle minor and moderate medical issues, but if you need serious treatment, you might be in trouble. Cruise medical centers can handle a lot, but they're not built for everything. Here's what they can treat: minor injuries like cuts, bruises, and sprains, seasickness and dehydration, IV fluids, fevers, flu, colds, and food poisoning, minor infections such as ear infections or strep throat. They can also do basic x-rays and lab tests. But if you need surgery, a blood transfusion, or specialized treatment, the ship's doctor will recommend getting off at the next port, or worse, an emergency evacuation. Here's the kicker. Medical care on a cruise ship is not free. It's private health care, which means you pay out of pocket unless you have travel insurance. And trust me, the bills can be brutal. Imagine racking up a $50,000 bill just because you tripped near the buffet. If you take one thing from this video, get travel insurance before you cruise. Doctor consultation $100 to $250, x-rays and lab tests $150 to $500, IV fluids $500 or more, emergency evacuation $25,000 to $100,000. If you have a major medical emergency, the cruise ship has to get you off as soon as possible. Depending on where you are, you'll be either disembarked at the next port if there's a hospital nearby, or airlifted off the ship if it's really bad. Airlift evacuations cost up to $100,000, and guess what? The cruise line won't cover it. That's all on you unless, again, you have travel insurance. Seriously, are you getting the hint yet? Yep, if you show up to the cruise terminal coughing, sneezing, or looking feverish, the cruise line can deny you boarding to protect other passengers. So if you're feeling sick before a cruise, call the cruise line before you show up, because once they turn you away, there are no refunds. If you have a fever, flu symptoms, or recent stomach illness, expect extra screening or no boarding at all. Ever heard of Norovirus? It's the stomach bug from hell that spreads fast on cruise ships. If an outbreak happens, the ship quarantines infected passengers, deep cleans everything, and limits activities to stop the spread. And if you catch it, say hello to your cabin, because you'll be locked inside for 24 to 48 hours until you recover. Imagine being stuck in your cabin feeling bored and isolated. Not exactly the vacation you had in mind, right? Nobody wants to spend their vacation in the medical center, so here's how to stay healthy at sea. First, pack basic meds like seasickness pills, pain relievers, and cold medicine. And wash your hands constantly. Cruise ships can be germ central. Also, drink lots of water because dehydration sneaks up fast in the sun. Lastly, don't forget to get travel insurance. Bottom line, getting sick on a cruise happens, but if you're prepared, you'll be just fine. So pack smart, stay hydrated, and maybe don't eat everything at the buffet. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe for more cruise tips. It costs you nothing, unless you would like to buy us a coffee. If you do, you can find the link in our channel description, or by visiting buymecoffee.com/cruiseship. Those that are so kind will get a mention in one of our upcoming videos. Stay legal and stay salty, stay safe, and don't get sick at sea. Safe travels.